Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Himangi. We are dealing with the topic integers. Integers is a very important topic. So grade 6, chapter number 6 is integers. Grade 7, chapter number 1 is integers and basic concept of integers are useful for higher education. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. These are the subtopics I am going to cover in today's video. So let us recap the integers what we have done in the last video. So all the negative integers, 0 and all the positive integers are known as integers. Our new collection of negative numbers together with whole numbers is called integers. So these are the negative numbers plus whole number makes integers and whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the negative numbers, 0 and all the positive numbers are known as integers. Integers are denoted by capital Z. So Z is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integers are also known as directed numbers or signed numbers. Positive integers, the numbers with plus sign are called positive integers. Take the example plus 7 plus 21, but what about 4 and 9? 4 and 9 doesn't have any sign. So the number without sign is considered as a plus 4 or plus 9. Negative integers, the numbers with minus sign are called negative integers. Take the example minus 7, minus 24, minus 4, minus 9. These are known as negative integers. Negative numbers plays an important role in integers. Directed numbers. Both the positive and negative numbers are called directed numbers as they indicate direction. They are also called signed numbers because of the plus and minus sign which is the part of them. And what about 0? 0 is neither negative nor positive. We don't write plus sign or minus sign with 0. We write 0 as a single digit 0. Now again very important concept, integers on number line. This is the number line. This arrows indicates we can extend our number line in both the direction, right hand side and left hand side. This is the 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. On the right hand side of this 0, all the positive numbers are there. This all the part already you have done in the whole numbers. And left hand side of 0 we are having the negative numbers. So here first write plus 1, so the opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. Then write 2, opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Write 3, opposite of 3 is minus 3. Why I am telling you to write down this way? Most of the time students they start writing from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So to avoid this mistake, first write down these positive integers 1, so minus 1, 2, then this side minus 2, 3, then minus 3, 4 and minus 4. Already I have told you these positive and negative numbers are opposite to each other. Now by using this number line concept we can solve maximum questions based on the integers. So let us see what are the facts about the number line. Here I am asking you few questions. 9, 3 and 9, which one is greater? So definitely we know this 9 is greater. Take another example. It means here you can see that right hand side. Why right hand side? 9 is on right hand side of 3. 9 is on right hand side of 3. So we can say that right hand side number is greater. Take another example. 10 and 3. Which number is greater? 10 is greater. Again 10 is on right hand side of 3. So can we say that on a number line always your right hand side number is greater? So the first point is right hand side number is always greater. Now you can say that 0, on the right hand side of 0 all the positive numbers are there, and left hand side of 0 is all the negative numbers are there. So if we compare these negative numbers and 0, so definitely 0 is greater than the negative numbers, because 0 is on the right hand side of all the negative numbers. Positive numbers are greater than 0, because positive numbers are on the right hand side of the 0, as well as positive numbers are on the right hand side of all the negative numbers. So we can say that positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. At the same time, positive numbers are greater than 0, because positive numbers are on right hand side. So the basic concept is right hand side number is always greater on a number line. So can you say that what is the greatest negative integer here? These are the negative integers. Which number is on the extreme right hand side on for the negative number? This -1 is on right hand side. So the greatest negative integer is -1. Smallest negative integer. Smallest negative integer, this is infinite. So this is not defined. Smallest positive integer is not defined, because this will move towards infinite. Greatest positive integer. Now look at this positive integer. Greatest positive integer is not defined because of this arrow. Smallest positive integer. These are the positive integer. Which is the smallest positive integer? No, 0 is not the answer, because 0 is neither negative nor positive. So we start positive numbers from 1. So the smallest positive integer is 1. This concept, these questions always comes in true or false or fill up the blanks. So if you know this number line, you can write down answers for all these questions. Grade 6 chapter number 8 and grade 7 chapter number 2 is decimal. Total this 6 plus 3 9 subtopics, 9 videos are ready to watch. Part 1 link is given in the description, and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Just like integers, decimal is also very important for higher classes. So please watch this video, do watch this video to get the proper concept of decimals. Now the time for concept check based upon the number line. So which integer in each of the following pair is to the right of the other on the number line? So 2 and 8, which number is on right hand side? You can look at the number line. This is 2 and this is 8. So definitely 8 is on right hand side. Take another example, -2 and -6. This is -2 and this is -6. So which number is on right hand side? -2. Take another example, 0 and -4. This is 0 and this is -4. Which number is on right hand side? 0. -5 and 9. This is -5 and this is 9. So which number is on right hand side? 9. Now write all the integers between -3 and 2. Between means this two numbers doesn't come. Whatever numbers are there between this -3 and this 2, that will be the answer. So start writing answer. You can say -2, -1, 0 and 1. These are the numbers between -3 and 2. -8 and -2. This is -8 and this is -2. So which numbers will be there? -7, -6, -5, -4, -3. These are the numbers. So you can see that with the help of number line you are able to write down the answer. Now ordering of integers. This is again a number line. On every slide I am making this number line because this number line is very important. With the help of number line you can write down maximum answers from the integer chapter. So concept of number line is very important. So replace star by greater than or smaller than to make the statement true. 0 and 6, which one is greater? This is 0 and this is 6. Always your right hand side number is greater, so 6 is greater. Minus 8 and 18, this is minus 8, and somewhere if you will go there you will get minus 18. So which number is on right hand side? Minus 8 is on right hand side, so minus 8 is greater than minus 18. 0 and minus 5, this is 0, and which one is minus 5? Which number is on right hand side? 0, so 0 is greater. Right hand side number is always greater. 18 and 81, somewhat if you will increase your number line somewhat, here you will get 18. And minus 81, if you will go towards left hand side somewhat, you will get minus 81. So which number is greater? Right hand side number is greater, so that means this 18 is greater. Or we have done one more thing, positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So this way also you can see that 18 is greater than 81. Here also you can use the concept 0 is greater than negative number, so 0 is greater. You can think for the number line, or whatever facts we have done in the last slides, you can use that facts directly. Minus 253 and minus 523, bigger numbers. So just imagine your number line. This is 253 and this is 300, then 400, then 500. So number will go this side. So definitely minus 253 is on right hand side. So this number is greater. Write 5 negative integers greater than minus 7. Greater means on the right hand side. So this is minus 7, and on the right hand side of minus 7 is this number. So answer will be minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 5, so write down only 5. 6, so write down 6. If they ask integers, then you can write positive number, but here they ask negative integers, so your answer should be in the form of negative integers. Less than minus 4, less than number means on the left hand side number, so this is minus 4, so left hand side of minus 4 is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Sorry, I have written something wrong over here. Less than minus 4. So this number should come. Let me change this answer. Just a minute. Just a minute. Oh, yeah. So this answer should be minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and then minus 9. This should be the answer. Please do correction. This will be the answer. Less than minus 4. Greater than 4 will be the right hand side. Less than 4 will be the left hand side number. So you are supposed to write this left hand side numbers. Now let us go for the next slide. Ordering of integers in ascending and descending order. Again number line, because number line is very important concept. So ascending order means always we write smallest number to greatest number, but here we have negative number also, 0 also, and positive numbers also. So which numbers are smaller? These negative numbers are smaller. So first we will write the negative numbers, and then we write 0, and then we arrange these positive numbers. Next one is descending order. Descending order means greater number to smaller number. So which numbers are greater now? These positive numbers will be greater. then 0 and then this negative number. So we will use this concept to arrange the integers in ascending or descending order. Grade 6, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shapes, 5 subtopics, fraction, 10 subtopics, decimals, 9 subtopics. So complete chapter with subtopics are ready to watch. Part 1 link is given in the description and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Please do watch these videos. So now start with the integers in ascending order. Again the number line is important. The question is arranged in ascending order. These are the integers given. We know that ascending order it means smaller number to greater number, but in integers which are the smaller numbers? Negative numbers, then 0 and then positive numbers. So initially first write down all the negative numbers together, 0 and positive numbers. Now these numbers we will arrange in ascending order. This negative numbers which is the smallest number over here, -7 and then -5 and then -3. Now if 0 is there, write down 0, and now these positive integers arrange this in ascending order. So 2 and 5. So this one is the final answer. Again these integers are given. So first thing we select all the negative integers, -4, -5 and -10. First write down this, then 0 and then 6 and 9. Now we will arrange this in ascending order. So for this negative numbers, which is the smallest number, -10, then -5 and then -4. Then write down 0 and then 6 and 9, arrange in ascending order, 6 and 9. So this is the final answer. Once you get practice, you can skip this, the middle one line, directly from this to this you can write. But initially to get the proper concept, first arrange all the negative integers together, all the positive integers together and 0, and then decide you are supposed to arrange in ascending and descending order. Accordingly you can arrange. So now here negative integers are there, so directly we can write down the answer. So smallest negative integer will be -14, then -22, -19, 0 is not there. So now positive integers 4, 13 and 35. So this way directly you can write down the answer after getting the proper concept of arranging integers in ascending order. Now integers in descending order. Again this number line is important. All the right hand side numbers are greater, left hand side numbers are smaller. So arrange in descending order. We know descending order means greater number to smaller number. So which numbers are greater? Positive numbers are greater and then 0 and then negative numbers. So here just arrange all the positive numbers first, 0 and then all the negative numbers. Now we will arrange in descending order. So which one is the descending order? 15 and then 8, 0, -2, 15, 8 and 0. And then which one is the greater number over here? -2, then -10 and -13. This is already in the given order. Now take the another example. So first arrange all the positive numbers and then all the negative numbers. Now we will arrange these positive numbers in descending order. So first one will be 64, 42 and 4. Then 0 will come, and now here -3, -26, -50. Now the third one again. Now here we can write down the direct answer. Here you can skip the second step. Once if you know how to arrange, you can skip this second line. So now the greatest positive number is here 82, 80 and 18. There is no 0. Then we will arrange these negative numbers. So -25, -30 and -90. Thank you for watching my today's video. My coming videos are on these subtopics. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to watch my next video.